Surviving in the wilderness is the pinnacle of man. Adventure photographer Chris Burkard knows the dangers of the outdoors when on the hunt for the ultimate photograph.
We're getting close. You can never be too careful in these parks.
Burkard and his sidekick sense the danger lurking around every tree.
1 second. Look right there.
Chris knows it's no time to panic. It's time to embrace the wild within. Thanks to Burkard's years of experience and Dr. Squatch's unique manly sense, a friendship is made. Dr. Squatch Cologne. Smell like nature intended.